Good morning, I'm Joe, representing ClimateChic. Before I begin, I want you to imagine a scenario of you dining in a restaurant, about to put the chicken slice in your mouth, when the chef excitedly speaks with you. Oh, good thing you ordered our chicken. It's the best. The meat is tender since it's sourced from tight cages. They're not let to see the sunlight, no walk at all. The poultry farm owner got this huge land up in the forest, cut down the trees, and replaced them with huge cages. Best of all, chicks have all the antibiotics, so you don't have to take one, right? Just don't get sick because I guarantee you'll have antibiotic resistance. Much of the antibiotic wastewater seeps onto soil and into the water table. Anyway, best chicken. It's to die for. Would you still put the bird in your mouth?
In the Philippines and the rest of the globe, the existing solutions fail to touch these interconnected chronic crises. 1. The spiking chicken feed price Southeast Asia. 2. Non-NbS solutions, which means heavy reliance on antibiotics and harmful growth hormones affecting human health directly through meat consumption and soil and water pollution. Canopies and trees are cut down even, not harmoniously doing business with nature. 3. Existing systems are non-inclusive to small farmers, women, and youth. 4. Delayed income realization from upland timber production. 5. Violating and brutal killing of male sheep. That is the reason why we develop ClimateChic, an end-to-end, closed-loop, nature-based solution-centered spatial AI circular economy model, system, and platform by harnessing the high potential of biogeographic regional flora forage and low-cost, nutritional, and immune-boosting prebiotics and probiotics converted from agrothrganic wastes. Specifically, ClimateChic offers 1. Designing, arranging, organizing, and calculating agroforest sanctuary model and enterprise customized using biophysical, climatic, and desired profit target data without ever compromising the quality and volume of required sheep feed using the spatial AI web app. 2. Diversifying sheep nutrition feed source from 100+ endemic native pioneering and coppicing tree species, eliminating major sheep death-causing illnesses caused by heavy protein and carbohydrate-based diet. 3. Building immunity at the start of sheep raising by converting coconut or copra meat waste into prebiotics. 4. Formulating unlimited lactobacilli probiotics drink from rice wash and rice bran wash as alternative to antibiotics and vaccines. 5. Cutting 70% of commercial sheep feed cost by raising silkworm pupae and black soldier fly larvae responsibly. 6. Producing better, healthier, and more climate-resilient next-generation sheep by producing better semen quality from Volvariella vulvacea. 7. Cross-cutting farmer family and sheep needs by adding superfood and heavy leaf producing mega-diverse flora using site species matching plus morena and madre de cacao legumes, guava, sweet potato tops, water spinach. 8. Integrating natural crisscross fences or cheap, recycled, stackable, and portable gallon sheep coop along land contours. 9. Implementing 7-day fallow to strips of land to avoid flu and other common sheep diseases. 10. Maintaining humane treatment to sheep by free-ranging and giving them sunshine, social, discovery, and playtime, or just give them a sanctuary living experience. 11. Blockchain in real-world ecosystems application and transparent end-to-end ESG reporting for companies. This is how it works. Farmer, or together with ClimateChic, registers on the web app and receives one free site-based ClimateChic model, system, and feasibility study. Farmer draws or uploads the boundary of a degraded area he or she wishes to develop and sets smart goals, purposes, and targets. Web app calculates and generates land current condition along with a functional ClimateChic design, plan, feasibility, and an operational manual with carrying capacity. Farmer prepares and records the current, or post, condition of the land. Farmer repeats step 2 with the recent post-ClimateChic cycle data and sets potentially new goals, purposes, and targets, and follows the updated model. Overall, the takeaway is that ClimateChic spatial AI is trained to design by nature and with nature, which means it considers the species site match, baseline diversity, or contour lines. Climate-smart ClimateChic agroecoforest sanctuary and economy, or short for climate-smart case, can be established by ClimateChic farmers or partnerships of ClimateChic and farmers. Here are the other steps highlighting market linking, formulation of partnerships, building local knowledge and best regenerative and NbS practices with evidence, and restoring ecosystems and their services and functions as fast as 6 months. In the Philippines, poultry farming and agroforestry is a vital industry, with regions like Central Luzon leading in production. However, challenges such as poultry feed costs, environmental degradation, and food insecurity persist. ClimateChic aims to address these issues by providing sustainable solutions that benefit multiple stakeholders. Smallholder farmers. By adopting ClimateChic's sustainable practices, farmers can reduce feed costs and access new revenue streams through carbon credits. Government agencies. Collaborations with entities like the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the Climate Change Commission can aid in achieving reforestation goals and sustainable development targets. ESG-driven corporations. Companies committed to environmental, social, and governance principles can partner with ClimateChic to offset emissions and promote sustainable supply chains. By integrating these efforts, ClimateChic seeks to create a resilient and sustainable agroecoforest industry in the Philippines. The potential impact is transformative by boosting ecosystems, food security, nutrition, health, and profits. Here's how. Annually, 47,000 hectares of Philippine forests could be saved from degradation. Chronic food insecurity, affecting 54.9 million Filipinos, could be reduced or even eradicated within 5 years. 2.95 million tons of methane-emitting food waste may be cut yearly, slashing pollution. 1 million smallholder farmers could see incomes rise by 25% to 200% within just 7 months of ClimateChic's operations. 10 large Meet the ClimateChic A-Team, an international award-winning innovator leading the charge in ecosystem restoration and protection, cutting-edge digitalization and spatial AI analytics, precision monitoring and reporting, advanced data science, sustainable environmental engineering, smart systems design, and women-centered farming for inclusive growth. At ClimateChic, we are pioneering solutions for a healthier planet, where technology meets sustainability.
For investors, join us, and together we'll create more happy chic, happy climate sanctuaries. Invest in a future where sustainability meets prosperity and every dollar grows green. For corporations, launch ClimateChic in your target region and supercharge your CSR and ESG impact. Let's turn waste into forests, hunger into harvests, and chickens into climate heroes, because profit and planet can thrive together. For government, collaborate with us to transform degraded lands into thriving agroecoforests through our Adopt a Forest initiative. Let's build resilient landscapes for nature, for people, for progress. The time for change is now. Join the movement. Be the solution. Together, we grow forward.